Hello everyone, welcome back. So let's see what Nifty and Bank Nifty can do tomorrow. Yesterday, as we discussed, so I also kept a thumbnail that Nifty is going to test whether 24,300 or whether 23,500. Yesterday, clearly, I have explained you in the video the clear levels that Nifty is kind of making a bottom at this level. And in my WhatsApp community also yesterday, I've shared my idea that we can go with April futures hedging long. So that is where today we have captured almost 500 points since yesterday. So today market have opened up almost 280 points plus gap up. So with that gap up, we have almost captured close to 500 points. Yesterday we have entered at the bottom, keeping our view as long in Nifty because this was a panic gap down. There is no reason for this gap down. Just the crude oil barrel rate was increased and there are some tensions going on between Iran, Israel and US. So these tensions were anyway going on from last 1 week to 10 days. So but there is no other strong reason for the market to open this gap down. So always when you see such kind of panic gap downs happening without any reason, we see market is going to reverse. So we have utilized this panic gap down and we were long in Nifty. Yesterday we have taken all trades long, along with we have also carried futures long with proper hedging. And today market opened almost 280 points plus gap up. And our target was 24,300. Market exactly tested the target at the opening. So we have exited our trades at the opening today itself. Again, when market given a dip to 24,000, so I clearly communicated in the channel till market is above 24,000, we should be positive and we should be going long only. With that view, again today expiry also we have captured minimum 2 to 3 trades long side because we were positive and our view is positive. If you don't want to miss this kind of levels during intraday, my ideas, my views on the market within intraday, so you can join the WhatsApp community that is free. I'm not going to charge anything. You will find that link to WhatsApp community under this video in the description. You can go there, click and join the WhatsApp community. So now let's see what is unfolding for tomorrow in Nifty. So let's keep simple in Nifty. In Nifty, if market, okay, if market is closing below downside view, I will just first give downside view in Nifty. Okay, if 15-minute candle closing comes below 24,133, okay, first target will be 24k to 24,040. Okay, this will be our first target. In case if Nifty closes a 15-minute candle below 24,133, our first target will be 24k to 2440. Okay, in case if market closes below 24k level, then we will be seeing Nifty coming towards our second target will be 23,800 to 23,840 zone. Okay, so this can act as an buy on dip zone for positional players. Buy on dip zone. So this is a crucial zone in Nifty. Okay, and there is a importance to this level also. In case if market comes to 23,800 to 23,840, this will act as a buy on dip zone. From here again market can consolidate for some time, and from here market can take a reversal and close about 24k. Okay, this is my downside view. Downside going below 24k tomorrow is little tricky, but market can do anything just to surprise everyone. It can just go below 24k, and from 930 980 level it can reverse as well. Okay, so these are the downside view. This is a downside view in Nifty, and let's see for the upside view. Upside view, let's keep it simple. If Nifty closes above 24,300, okay, upside view, if Nifty close 15-minute candle above 24,300, okay, opens, if it opens flat and close a candle above 24,300, our target will be first target will be this gap filling. So it may come and fill this gap, which is 23,440 zone. And second target, if again a 15 minutes candle close above this zone, our second target will be 24,500 500 to 560 zone. Okay, this will be our second target. So here or else we can take this way, 24,060 to 24,600. Okay, this will be our second target. Market can come here and it can take a resistance at this level. Okay, market might not break this level directly, so it will take resistance. And if Nifty is holding at the upper level itself, so we might see a breakout again upside above this level. If Nifty is going to give a breakout, we will see a short cover rally in Nifty for the upside. So this is a view in Nifty. If opens flat and if it is breaking this 24 133 level, or else if it is opening little gap down near 200 and if it is breaking this level, then only we will go on the short side. Okay, till this 24 133 is not breaking, we are not going on the short side in Nifty. Okay, you can do little scalpings, but our general view is not short side in case if Nifty is not closing below this level. And upside, if it opens flat here around 240 250 zone, and if it is closing a green candle above 24 300, this is our upside view. You know the targets. But in case if market is opening around 24 350 or 380 or close to 400, wait for the dip to this level. Okay, wait for the dip to 24 300 to 320 zone. If Nifty opens gap up, wait for the dip to 24 300 to 320 zone. When market reaches here, and if you see a green candle in 3 minutes time frame at this zone, if market opens gap up and giving a dip and creating a green candle in 3 minutes time frame at 24 300 to 320 zone, we can try long for the same targets, 23 440 and 24 560 to 600. So this is my view on Nifty. In case if something changes, I will be posting my updates in live market in my free WhatsApp group. If you don't want to miss those live updates, if something is changing on the charts, you can join my free WhatsApp community, for which you can find the link below in the description. So this is my view in Nifty. And coming to Bank Nifty is again simple. In case if Bank Nifty is closing below this level, okay, which is 55,000, sorry, 56,000, this is a downside view in Bank Nifty. Downside view. Yesterday also we discussed Bank Nifty is going to test the 56,000 target. Exactly, Bank Nifty have tested that today. So our downside view in Bank Nifty is if it is closing below this level, okay, our first target will be 56,400. In case if it closes below this 56,400 level, we might come and see 55,998. Okay, our second target will be 55,980 zone to 56,080 zone. Okay, as this is Bank Nifty, we cannot just keep 10-20 points as a zone. So this is a target I am seeing on the downside. In case if Bank Nifty opens flat or opens little gap down and close below this 56,666 level, we'll be seeing 56,400, and second target will be this gap filling. So as there is a round number here, 56k, we might see 56k breaking little bit, giving a big downside, and from there we might see a reversal. So this is a zone you have to target, 55,980 to 5680 zone. Okay, and for the upside view, in case if Bank Nifty opens flat and if it is breaking this level, okay, which is 57,088 level. If Bank Nifty closes above 57,088 level, I'm seeing targets as 57,400 as the first target. Okay, let me write this way so that you will be clear. Upside view, 15-minute candle closing above 5788. First target 57,400. Second target will be gap filling, which is 57,600 to 650 zone. Okay, or else 600 to 680 zone you can aim. So again, this is where market can take a resistance here at this zone. So these are my upside targets in Bank Nifty. If opens flat and close above this 5788, we will see 57,400 and 57,600 to 680 zone. But in case if Bank Nifty is opening near 57,200, wait for the dip to this level, 57,000 to 57,100 level. There, if you see Bank Nifty is consolidating and creating a green candles at that zone, so you can make a view for the upside by keeping your stop loss below 57k for the target of 57,400, and next target is 57,600 to 680. So this is my view on the upside. So as these 2 days are bullish, Bank Nifty and Nifty might open gap up tomorrow, and it will give a dip. Okay, in that dip you can try for the upside both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. In case if it opens flat or little gap down, you might see a downside move in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we know the levels. So because in Nifty 24,300 is a crucial level, in Bank Nifty again we are near 57k, both are at crucial levels. In case if it opens flat and little gap down, we might see a little downside move. Now we know downside levels also, how we have to play in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Based on these levels you can play for the downside. Okay, but in case if anything changes, I'm going to provide my view, my ideas in the live market on my WhatsApp community. You can come and join there. So let's keep this video simple. Thank you everyone for watching this video.